When I'm creating art, I feel complete. Completely at one with myself. Completely fulfilled. Completely beautiful.
I feel freedom. Nothing confines me. I can go in 360 degrees in every direction and into multiple universes if I want.
Time stops and I'm in this magical world where I just want to be here forever, and it's so beautiful. Art makes me feel like I know my place in the world.
So fabric is like, wow, that's like, I was 4 years old when I was burnt in a fire. I've got grains, I've got lines, I've got scars, they're not flat and they're not smooth, and the specific fabric that I use just seemed to be a better way of me portraying me. Fabric is me, it brought me life, it gave me life, it elevates me. I sound crazy, but I don't care, because it's what saved my life.
My technique is actually very primitive. I like to use raw charcoal. It's very dirty and it's very brash. I was hit by a drunk driver when I was 6 years old. From being in an intensive care unit in a trauma center, I was taken to an orphanage and eventually adopted out. So it was a very rough road. So I used charcoal to kind of reflect that walk. I love the texture and the sound of charcoal pressing against paper. You're starting with messiness and just crazy chalk goes everywhere and there's dust, and then you're taking away lines. So it's kind of restorative and healing.
I guess the reason that I chose oil painting, right? Oil paints specifically. There's something about it that is alive. It's organic. Right after I graduated, I was a jeweler, I was singing in a band, and I got hurt diving off of a waterfall in the Grand Canyon. Became a C5 quadriplegic, had to basically drown and die and be reborn. And while I was in rehab, I had to paint just as part of therapy. And it was like my favorite thing. And I thought, oil won't dry right away. I can go back and fix things that I want to fix.
So I was looking for a community, and when I found Artists for Trauma, it's just been amazing. I feel like I have these like giant wings again. Just the expression that I'm allowed to show my art and have patients see it and get inspired and to know that there's hope.
Let's bring these people together and give them a place to share their story and their inspiration with other people that are at the doorstep to pain, suffering, change, evolution. To be able to find it on a wall and go, hey, there's someone that's just like me who made it through this situation.
Where you lie or where you sit is just the beginning part of your journey. Whatever you consider to be a flaw or a setback, it really isn't. It's just an opportunity for you to create something new.
I would like to say that I don't know you, but I love you. And there are a lot of people around here that care for you and would like to inspire you and to hold your hand along the way.
We're so caught up with what the world thinks. And what I want people to know is that we have to have that bone and soul inside of us that says, I don't care. Who cares? Give them a better reason to look at you so that they go, oh my gosh, why is that guy in a wheelchair? And they go, oh my gosh, is that really amazing artist?
You cannot say because you don't look or walk or sound like the next person that your life is over or it's tragic. It's not tragic, it's magic. It's magic.